Hello, it's Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrappin' on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Kathy, Traci, and myself. Our Mini Kit Monday host for this month of September is the lovely Traci, and she has selected this rainbow mood board as our inspiration piece for the month of September. If you would like to play along, I will have the link listed below to the Mini Kit Monday Facebook channel. What you need to do is snap a photograph of your kit and then upload that to the September album to get one entry. And then you can get 3 more entries to possibly win a gift card from Traci or a curated kit. I don't know which that she is offering at this point of me videoing this video revealing my kit. So without further ado, let me reveal my kit to you. I know this video is going up late. I do apologize. It has just been very crazy at work. And I have also switched my location of where I scrapbook. I still scrapbook in a very small area, but no longer in my master bedroom. I am in one of the spare bedrooms now. So my video setup is a little bit different. I hope that everything is going to be in screen. All right, so let me start off with, I did page kits within my kit. So I'm going to show you my first page kit. Voila, here it is. And this is the photograph that I pre-selected after I put my kit together. I just actually completed going through and selecting the photographs. This is an older photograph of my husband and I. It was taken in 2010, and we were in Sarasota, I think, is where we were at. And I said 2010, but actually the date on here is November 20th, 2009. So it is older than what I thought. I selected these alpha letters that are white with overlaid foiled gold. And they've been in my collection for a while. They're a chipboard, and I just have a few letters left. Maybe I'll use the numbers, not sure. I also have chosen quite a few different collections from Cocoa Vanilla. So we have the Cocoa Vanilla Happiness, what do you call these? Flare buttons. It's right there. Then I have the unforgettable clear stickers. Hopefully you're not getting too much of a glare. Like I said, this is a new setup for me. So it's going to take me a little bit to figure out my camera and lighting angle. This is a happiness sticker sheet. This is Cocoa Vanilla Wild Heart chipboard piece. Then I have a scrap paper here that is a black and white polka dot. And that's the opposite side. And I think this is, oh my gosh, I remember it's called Family Something. But anyway, that's a scrap paper. And I have a scrap paper from the Happiness collection. And then I have a 12 by 12 from the Happiness collection. And this is called Meadows. I chose this side. This is the opposite side. So I chose this side, and I chose this side of this one. Though I could use a little bit of that side as well. But these are the 3 sides that I selected. So this will be my page kit 1. I'll just stack that up in order, and my photograph. All right, for page kit number 2, get this in frame. All right, Again, we have another older photograph, and let me see. This was taken on my birthday in March of 2010. And then I have, these are all upside down. Let me flip this over. So I have these chipboard alphas from a Vicky Bouton collection line. Oh, Let's Wander, that came out in 2020. So they're white with this like newspaper kind of print with a black outline of that alpha. Then I have these foam alphas that are a navy blue. And then on this side is a white. And I know everybody remembers these. This came out in a Paige Evans collection. Then I have Keep It Real from Pink Fresh Studio stickers. A lot of these colors are in this background paper right here. I have a scrap paper from Bo Bunny called Celebrate Freedom, released in 2018. We also have this side, which would bring out more of the red in that photograph. So I may change my mind. I originally selected it for this yellow, but you never know. I might use that. Kind of like that. And then I have this blue on tone with hearts. And then this is a solid blue on this side. I don't remember what collection, but looking at this, maybe, I don't know. I'm not even going to guess. So don't even try, Dolly. And then I have a 12 by 12 sheet here from Amy Tan. Sorry if I just made you dizzy. Flipped it around. And this is from the Brave and Bold collection. Love this paper here. So this is layout number 2 or page kit number 2. Doesn't mean I'll do it in that order. For layout number 3 or page kit number 3, we're playing off the orange. All right, I am going to document 2 photographs of my little guy at a pumpkin patch farm in 2020. I have these funky black glitter alphas. I love their funky style, perfect for what I'm documenting. I have these jelly bean soup alphas that I've never touched. I think they were double-sided, and this is the second side. And this is from 2012. I have this die cut piece here of funny faces of pumpkins. Next, I have these acrylic kind of diamond type cut pieces. So we've got orange, black, and white, an eye, and an owl. Then I have a 12 by 12, a 6 by 6 scrap paper from my stash. Then I have from Graphic 45, this paper that's 2012, and I love this green. I have hoarded this paper long enough. I can't, every year in fall, I bring this out, and I just love this green here. Then I have this scrap paper from Glitz Design. This is 2013, and I chose it again for the orange and white. I also have this black stripe here. I wish Glitz was back in business. I always loved their graphic design style, brightness. Love it, love it. Then I have this paper from Bo Bunny that is upside down, so let's twist it. And this side is cut aparts that I was intrigued to possibly use on this layout. And this is called Beautiful, Brisk, Colorful. And I don't know what year. And then we have this orange. And let's see if it says the year on this side. I don't see the year, but I chose it for this side. And then I have Daisy White cardstock from Close to My Heart. So that's my page kit number 3. All right. Be sure to come back every Monday. I know this is being posted late, but we had a Labor Day holiday. Like I said, I've been really busy, and then I had moved my scrapbooking room area. And so anyway, just keep coming back. Be sure to check out Becky, Kathy, Traci, and I will have their links listed below in the description box. All right, we'll see you next time, and give us a thumbs up, and most of all, get out those photographs and get out your scrappy supplies and document those memories in a fun, creative way. We'll see you next time. Bye.